Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check your Wise account number. You can follow these steps on both the Wise website and the mobile app. First, go to the Wise website or open the Wise app on your phone. Once you're logged in, look for the section where your currencies are listed. You might see a currency like Euro, US dollar, or British pound. Now click or tap on the currency you want the account number for. On the website, after you select the currency, look for a button that says Receive. Click on it. If you are using the app, tap on the currency, then tap on More and choose the Receive option. Once you are in the Receive section, tap or click on your chosen currency again to open the account details. If this is your first time accessing these details, Wise might ask you to deposit a small amount first. For example, it may ask for a deposit of 20 euros. After you make that deposit, Wise will unlock your account details. These details include your account number, along with other banking information like your IBAN or routing number, depending on the currency and country. That's how you check your Wise account number. If you're dealing with account numbers for business payments, stop doing it manually. I recommend using Melio to automate all your bank transfers and bill payments. It securely stores account numbers and makes payments a lot easier. Check it out. You can actually try it for free using the link in the description.